This is Karthikeya Bansal, and today we are going to have a glimpse about cloud computing and the service models which are being provided by the enterprises to provide this technology to the end user. But firstly, somewhat about cloud computing. Cloud computing is basically the availability of computer resources, which includes both data storage and computer power to the users. In simple terms, it's delivering software and hardware to the end user as a service over internet. Its advantages include cost savings, high speed computation, backup and restore data, reliability, mobility, and unlimited storage. Now, we have three basic service models, which are infrastructure as a service IAAS, platform as a service PAAS, software as a service SAAS. So without further ado, let's get into them.
The best way to define these cloud service models is using this pyramid structure. In the base, it is IaaS. Its examples include AWS, VMware, and Azure-like services. It is mainly focused on network architectures and IT administrators. It is the most difficult one to use and provide us with many customizable options. Then comes the PAAS. It is mainly focused on the software developers. Its examples include Heroku, OpenShift, Cloud Foundry, etc. These are not so flexible as IaaS but are far more easier to use, providing the user with not so many customizable options. In the end comes the SaaS. Its example includes the software such as Gmail, Office 365, Trello, Slack, etc. They are focused on the end user and are easiest one to use, providing user with no or very least customizable options. Thus, as you move down, you are increasing complexity in terms of your knowledge and management of infrastructure resources, but you are increasing the ease of use. A bit more about IaaS. So IaaS is a cloud computing solution that consists of provisioning and managing computer resources over the internet. Hence, it provides us the flexibility over the points such as applications, data, runtime, middleware, and operating system. It can be directly compared to leasing of a car. That is, you do a lot of research in it, search for the specs and performance of the car, choose your own color, your own kind, and pay for all the gas, tolls, and maintenance of the car. This way, this service model provides with the features such as prevention of data redundancy, better efficiency, more security, scalability, and moreover, it fits to the needs of your business strategy. So you pay for what you use. PAAS. PAAS is a cloud service model that provides a ready-to-use development environment. It provides flexibility over applications which are highly scalable, and the developer can work over them without worrying about OS, storage, or updates. And the user also don't need to worry about the data. The framework developers can use it for developing, managing, distributing, and testing software applications. It is similar to car rental, where you drive the car, pay for the tolls and gas, but are not concerned about the specs. You don't take care of the color of the car or the type of the car. You just drive it and then forget about it. The popularity for this model lies behind the fact that it is simple to use. It provides the user with a better and faster innovation techniques. It is even more cost effective. Thus, for the development work or for the startups to build on, this is the best model. SaaS. SaaS consists of delivering cloud-based application to users over the internet. In this service model, software is hosted online and made available to customers on a subscription basis or for purchase. The provider is responsible for developing, maintaining, and updating the software. Hence, we can say that the control is totally in the hands of service provider, and the users are like consumers which have no say over its working. From the user side, it is as easy as logging in and starting using it online without installing or hosting any software locally. This model is directly comparable to taking a cab. It is the easiest way. You just use the cab for a while. You are not the driver. You don't have a say over anything like the specs, color, etc. In the end, you are the one paying for it. Hence, we can say that it is a user-based service model, which is easy to manage, easy to use, can be easily scalable, and has the easiest deployment. Due to such features, in the past decade we have seen that SAAS model has made collaboration among the teams far easier than it previously was. So, this was all about the three service models which are being used as the market standards nowadays. Thank you and thanks for watching.